These lovers cross me, they're gonna end up seeing stars.
I mean, I'll let you go first, but damn sure I'm getting licked in. I'm this hissy fitting rich kid and this prepubescent vixen. I'm sick of them.
Let's beat them then, and we can rob them blind. I'll stick this punk up from the front.
I'll take this broad from behind and pop a cap in the ass for the last Capulet heiress. Give Miss Donuts in Paris a reason to cry to a parent.
Oh Romeo, wherefore you trying to flow, yo? Mofo, you soft as a pro, yo. All those are drapes to your clothes, bro. This is gonna be a tragedy.
Make you ache like your balls on the balcony.
Pharaoh gang put their money where their mouth is.
Sick like a plague on both your houses.
My love, your face is beauty to behold. I will protect thine honor for these dust bowl dildos.
A moment's break from your gaze is an eternity past. So together we shall both put these bitches on
On
blows.
guard, thou artless, beetle-headed flashman. The only insult you have thrust upon me is thine stench. Why don't you twist upon these nuts? I hear you're good with a rag. The chismal state of your raps should be a federal offense.
And you there, wench with the neck of a chicken, you get an ass ripping worse than your boyfriend's in prison. You're not a true romance, you're just a conjugal visit. Oh, but that's not even your real husband now, is it?
Hey, partner, you best put a muzzle on your missus before I teach her how we handle disrespect down in Texas.
Do you call, sir? Oh, shall I draw my long sword? Or will you duck your chicken shit ass back into your fall?
How could you beat my man into mano y mano? You can't protect your best friend from some John like Mazzano. No, my Romeo will beat your bow in contest blow for blow. He will do upon thine dick what you have done upon your toe. Oh, I'm killed. What irony is this? The lead role shut down by a failed actress.
Then I shall kill myself on my stomach, I shall lie. So you loves can lick my ass thus with a diss.
Oh, never mind. My flesh was merely grazed. Where's Romeo? Romeo! There's poison on your face! Oh, happy dagger, kiss me true. Persuade my breath to stop. Sheathe yourself inside my heart like the beast drop.
Well, that was tragic.
That did not go as expected.
Would have done that boy some good. Just wait a couple seconds.
It's kind of sad though, really. So young to have just died.
Well, at least we got each other.
Just bony.
And
Who what? Who's next? You decide.